Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to install WordPress in your host. So if you might have gotten a domain name or a hosting plan for my referral for my affiliate companies, so let me show you a practical step of how to install a WordPress into your domain name using your host. Now you log into your Cpanel and now you scroll down to scripts. Scroll down to scripts. Now you can see WordPress here. You click on it. Now these are the details about WordPress software, WordPress script. WordPress is a PHP script. So if you can see now, I've installed some other domain names on WordPress. So I'm installing that now just to show you how and thereabout. So let's go ahead. You click on install now. Now this is the critical part. This you select the version of WordPress you want to install, and this 5.5.1 now is the latest version. You install the latest version of WordPress. Come here, then you click on the protocol, HTTP protocol. By default, choose on this one. You can choose this one, but on the default and a search engine friendly URL, choose this one. Then now you select your domain names. The domain names you want to use. Select your domain names. I have a lot of domain names here, so I select www.script.com. www.script.com. Now this is another technical part you have to take precaution on. Do not allow this WP to be there. Delete it so that the directory will be on the main domain name you installed, not on a subdomain name. So instead of it being if you have leaved that WP now, it will now be your domain name, which is www.script or your domain name.com/WP. That's when they can be able to find WordPress that you have installed on your site. But by default, you don't want to start telling people WordPress your site name.com/WP. So you just make it to be your site.com. So you have to delete that directory to make it be on the main public HTML. So after we have successfully deleted that, the next stage is now naming your site. Naming your site. So you name your site. Okay. Now this is where you put in your login details and your password. So I have to pause that video just to enter my password. This now you can decide to leave it on this one or add your existing email that is verified, or leave it on this email. Okay. So the language by default is English. So let me see the advanced session. This is your database being created. That you don't need to worry about those ones. So you can click on, if you have a good space on your hosting, click on backup once a month. Okay. So no need to select the theme. You can just click. Click on install. You have successfully installed WordPress or your domain name. So let's just keep waiting and see, checking the submit data. Okay, so this will take 3 to 4 minutes to do. Phew, that's been installed. Congratulations. You see now, this is what I'm saying you now. Congratulations, this software was being installed. WordPress has been installed at vtoscript.com, and your native URL is vtoscript.com/wp and admin. Okay, so that's all for now. See you on my next video. Bye.